we take y'all with us. Ronnie's driving. Hope y'all can see this. Look at them beautiful hills there. Today's my grandbaby's birthday, Amber's. She's 4 years old. Y'all seen her because I've had pictures of her on the my website. So y'all seen her when I went to Tennessee and spent the day with them at her last birthday party. I've seen people do these kind of videos, so that's what I'm trying today. I don't know. This old truck's so shaky. Try to keep y'all out of the mirror part. I know y'all don't want to see the mirror. Look at them beautiful hills. Ain't that pretty? Finally getting out of the dang old house. Try to keep y'all off the hood too. It's very hard doing this and going down the road, and this truck's so going up and down this road. Hope y'all like this video. See you later. Bye.
See you guys. Have a good day.
We're here at Pizza Hut. We got a New York pizza with sausage. Look how big that sucker is. And that's $10. Got a salad, me and Ronnie did. At Pizza Hut in St. Paul's. Penton Gap, We're at Pizza Hut in Penton Gap, Virginia. Okay. We got one pack of bacon, $5. White popcorn. Creamy frosting. Cream cheese frosting, Cherry frosting. Red velvet cake. Carrot cake. Jiffy yellow cake. These are 98 cents. Jiffy cake mix, 98 cents. Mushrooms. Some cheese dip. 3 packs of Taco Bell seasoning. Pack of semi-sweet chocolate chips. butter flavor spray, cooking spray, Italian seasoning, basil, Alfredo sauce, fettuccine noodles, There's $1 box. Cookie scooper, $3. Egg noodles, $1.68 egg noodles. Some tortillas. There's 10 in there. 2 things of donuts, $1.96 a piece. We got 4 towels. They was $2.98 a piece. Some clothes hangers, $1.68 a piece for 10 of them. 4 Walmart plates, 50 cents a piece. An 8-quart cooker, $9. That's all bars from Walmart. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. Bye.